Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reduce a PDF file size using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll compress it. Now select this file option and here you will find this PDF optimizer option. Click here. Now you can select current file or you can add multiple files. I'll select current file and only select reduce file option. You can select advanced optimize. I select reduce file. Now select current file and you can make it retain existing format or you can choose this format and select retain format and you can compress medium, basic or strong. I'll choose medium. Now select OK and save it and select OK. Save. The PDF file now compress. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.